You see a crow? Think it's just a bird? What if I told you he remembers your face? It's science. Crows have insane memories. Scientists wore a threatening mask while capturing them. Years later, the crows still attacked that specific mask. But here's the insane part. It wasn't just the captured crows. Other crows that just watched learned to hate the mask. And they taught their kids to hate it too. It's a generational grudge. So if a crow's staring, he's not just looking, he's judging. Which makes you wonder,